it's Burt season, man. You know how we coming, ball _34 SIT. We riding Burt life, baby. Yes, sir. Got the new steering wheel. Cut up my new Dunk interior color. Yeah, got it on the steering wheel. Still gotta get it gold plated. Took the black off. But she look good. What's happening, YouTube? Viper Dunk in the lab, as y'all can see. We got a full frame off coming, so they taking it apart and everything. Oh man, we got the new Amani wheels. They the rear, but I'm just gonna make sure they fit. But they do go on the rear. But we gonna just check, make sure they fit. Viper Dunk. And my man, y'all go follow him right there. Paint by King Team. Paint by King Team, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah, y'all heard him right there. I'm gonna put his link right there below the video. He helping me out right now. Stop what he's doing. I hate doing that. We gonna make sure these wheels fit. Hang apart. Steering wheel gonna be replaced. Got my doors over here. Bumper, lenses, all that here. Fender, y'all see the rust spot. It's all that. Full restoration shop. You see them old factories right there, they holding on. Here's another one. I think this is a 75. Right, 75? Yeah. 75. 75. I ain't gonna show y'all the sneak peek what they did, but I got a little couple of little gimmicks. Y'all see it. All supported. Yep, that's my other fender. Getting it in. Mind y'all, this goes on the back wheel, but we just gonna make sure it fit. Probably the hub in the middle, maybe. There you go. Yeah, so they bolted in.
The bolt pattern, right?
Bolt pattern correct. So this go on the rear, so maybe it's offset it different, but
because it's the way
the little hub in the middle,
yeah,
the mesh.
The little hub is small. The hub in the back is smaller.
Guys. That's how it look, y'all. That's how it look. Yeah, I see it, man. They done bust this thing down. I didn't even know they was on it already, but they already busted down. They probably found screws fall and everything. That corner, I know, had everything in it. Oh, for real? 3? Oh, Lord.
That joint had 2 screws in the radiator support. Everything had nothing up here.
God.
It had 1 screw down there at the bottom.
Y'all heard this, man.
I was like, dang, you go get some screws. He was like, man, he was like, you know, Bond Joe getting all brand new screws and shit from this joint on there. You getting the stainless
Hold
steel
on, I'm
bolts.
getting what?
Stainless steel bolts.
All new what?
All nuts and bolts on this.
Man, frame off, man. They don't believe me, man. They don't believe me out here, man. I can't believe only 1 screw was holding that thing.
So when I took that fender off,
Yeah.
the whole radiator support fell off.
Golly.
It had to come off anyway.
Y'all see it, man. Working lab. I gotta find me I gotta find somebody that chrome bumpers. I gotta get the bumpers re-chrome. Gotta find all that. Hold on. Let's see, it's gonna be smacking on. About the same size steering wheel. Just a little bit cleaner. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. 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 Y'all see what they got going on up in here, man. Y'all see it. They don't be playing around. Look at all the dust on it. And it's still shining. That one almost done. It's crazy. Crazy. It was black at first, and then the other day it tripped me out. I was like, that's blue. I didn't catch it until my camera got it. Y'all see, it's wet. Don't get it twisted. It just got shop dust on it. I'm a clean. Love that. They don't be playing. It's the blocking area. Oh, my camera. This is the blocking area where they be blocking everything. This bad boy got candy green. And it's wet, like they wet sanding and buffing everything right now because it's going back in the paint lab. But that mud wet. I don't know, y'all check my last video, that thing wet. My man got the black paint, everything on the van. Oh, snap. I told y'all it was wet. I told y'all it was wet. Paint by King, man. Wet. The test panel. I see a test panel every time I come up here. Look at that. That's crazy. That can't even hop. And y'all see he got the big old bus in here. Paint by King, man. What happening, YouTube? Man, I hope y'all watched the video, man. We got the 26s in. Yeah, all four of them. Only got two out the box, the other two in the box. In case you wonder. I know how people get. Anyways, that being said, man, we got the 26s, 7-inch rear lip on the Amani Forged. Only ones with them. Also, man, we about to get them gold plated. Y'all already know that. But Y'all see the dunk is in the lab. We got the frame off coming. They already start tearing it down. They ain't even been in there for a full week yet. We getting it in. We trying to grind. We trying to get this all done up. So you tell me how y'all liking it, man. I hope y'all liking the new interior color. Y'all already know what the paint scheme is. If you haven't, go back a couple videos. You'll see the paint scheme. And paint by King, man. They getting it in, man. Can't complain. So y'all share the videos, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on your notification bell. I appreciate it. Maggie ain't went nowhere. She's still right here. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all. Peace.